Australia's coronavirus crisis, a man has tested positive to the virus in Brisbane. Health authorities are now trying to track down those who have been in contact with him. It's understood the 20-year-old Chinese international student had recently returned from Dubai and did not catch the virus in Australia. And this morning we're learning more about the powers the federal government could use to try and halt the spread of the disease. For more, let's go to our federal politics reporter Fiona Willan. Fee, good morning to you. How would this work?
Well, Davina, the government's actually had these powers since 2015, but it's never used them before, not on a large scale. And the Attorney-General is now saying that some of them might have to be used for the first time to try and stop the spread and the growth of coronavirus here. Christian Porter says there is a very challenging time coming up for all Australians, and that these laws allow the government to do a number of things. It can issue biosecurity control orders to force people to remain in lockdown. Anyone who breaches one of those orders could be arrested. The Attorney-General says the laws were designed to handle something as serious as a pandemic. He's outlined what might be involved.
For the first time in Australia, laws will need to be used on a scale that will present a different experience for Australia. And for the first time ever, it may be that Australia is going to have to look at the fact that we may be declaring zones human health zones. That will have certain consequences. For the first time, really at a mass level in Australia, people might be required to give information about who they've come in contact with.
Now, the laws would be activated on the advice of the Chief Medical Officer and would also require cooperation of state medical officials.